Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi with paper. We'll start by gathering all the necessary supplies, including different colored papers, glue, and a good pair of scissors. Then, I'll guide you through the basic folding and cutting techniques to form the foundational shapes for your sushi. This creative project is perfect for anyone looking for a fun, hands-on activity. To begin, select construction paper in colors that mimic real sushi ingredients, such as white for rice, green for nori, and orange for salmon. A ruler will help you make precise cuts, ensuring your sushi pieces look neat and uniform. We'll then learn to form basic shapes like cylinders for rolls and rectangles for nigiri bases. Now, let's add those crucial details that bring your paper sushi to life. Carefully cut thin strips of dark paper to represent seaweed wraps, giving your rolls an authentic look. For the rice, you can use small, irregularly shaped pieces of white paper to create a realistic texture. Finally, we'll assemble all these components to form various delicious-looking sushi types. To complete your paper sushi masterpieces, ensure all the individual components are securely fastened with a strong adhesive. Once dry, arrange your beautiful creations on a decorative plate or bento box for a charming display. They make wonderful decorations or gifts. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.